Here's what might happen if you only eat food of one color. Ben, look what I found! A one-color challenge. Let's try it. I bet you won't last. Ha! You wish. Pick a color. Blue versus pink. You're on, and Jessica can judge. Benny, where are you? I have some pink Reese's for you. Melt white chocolate in a microwave. Add pink food coloring. Pour it into a silicone cupcake mold. Adjust the layer. Spread it over the walls. Let the glaze harden. Put peanut butter on top and pour another layer of pink chocolate over it. Once the chocolate has set, take out the candy and put it on a mat. Put it in a pink Reese's wrapper. Seal it and adjust the edges with scissors. And here's Ben with a blue Snickers bar for Christy. Cut the chocolate coating off of a Snickers bar. Melt white glaze. Add blue food coloring. And cover the bar. Adjust the layer with a knife. Make waves like on a real Snickers. Let the bar cool. Put it in a Snickers wrapper, printed on a blue background. Let's swap. Wow, our candies really changed color for our challenge. But they taste just like the original. What should I eat? Ooh, an apple! Stop! There's no such thing as blue apples. Forget about them for now and come up with a bluer food instead. Mix 1 3/4 ounces of softened butter with 5 1/3 ounces of sugar. Add 1 egg and pour in 1 3/4 ounces of milk. Mix everything thoroughly. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder to 3 1/2 ounces of flour. Pour in the wet ingredients. Mix the batter. Add blue food coloring. Put paper molds into a cupcake baking pan and fill the cups halfway. Bake for 15 minutes at 340 degrees. Cut the center out of the cupcakes when they're done. Fill the middles with blue sprinkles. Beat some heavy cream. Add blue food coloring. Fill a pastry bag with the icing and top the cupcakes with it. Decorate them with blue chocolate, edible beads, and food glitter. Wow! Our kitchen is going through its very own blue period. Great work, Christy! Uh-oh! Ben is really close to giving up on the challenge. Stop it, man! You're only allowed to eat pink food, remember? Crumble 7 ounces of cookies in a blender. Add pink food coloring to 1 ounce of cream. Add in the cookie crumbs. Mix well. Form balls. Dip the end of a wooden skewer into pink glaze. Put the cake pop on top and dip it fully in the glaze. Once the cake pop hardens, put a spiral of glaze onto it. Dip it in pink sugar sprinkles and decorate the stick with a bow. I'm waiting for my pink cake pop. All done? Here's the second serving. I'm so hungry! Waiter, please bring us something delicious. Hang on a minute. Don't forget about the challenge. Waiter, please bring her something blue and something pink for him. Cook 3½ ounces of pasta in water with added food coloring. Fry 3½ ounces chicken and 3½ ounces mushroom. And add 1 3/4 ounces of colored cream. Add salt and pepper to taste. Stir until the sauce thickens. Put the pasta on a plate. Put the sauce in the middle and coat the pasta. Blue pasta and pink rice? What a colorful lunch! Pour water with pink food coloring into 3½ ounces of rice. Cook it until it's done. Lay out the rice in a circle. Fry 1 3/4 ounces of red bell pepper and 1 3/4 ounces of shrimp. Add salt and pepper to taste. Pour in colored cream. Cook until it thickens and add the sauce to the rice. Bon appetit! What a bright, colorful flavor! Pink rice is actually pretty good. The blue pasta looks more like seaweed, but it's still edible. I think our lunch went great. Ben, you and your pink cheeks better stay out of my plate. Judging a challenge is so tiring. Ooh, wow, your drinks look so good. Come on, give me just one sip. Pour milk into raspberries. Process them in a blender. Add a scoop of ice cream. Beat it one more time. Melt some white chocolate glaze. And add pink food coloring. Decorate the inner walls of a glass using a pastry bag. Mix the whipped cream with pink food coloring. Pour the raspberry milkshake into the decorated glass. Decorate it with a whipped cream cloud. Pour sprinkles on top. And put in some straws. This pink milkshake is like something Barbie dreamed up. It's delicious. Ben refuses to share. Christy, can I have a sip of your blue smoothie? Cut 2 bananas and an apple. Add a cup of milk and blend them together. Add blue food coloring. Decorate the smoothie with blueberries. This blue smoothie is too delicious to share. Jessica, leave me alone. You can eat whatever color food you want. We love street food. Where's our meal? Look, Christy, they're bringing you a burger, and it's your favorite color. Add food coloring to 5 1/3 ounce of yeast dough. Make a round bun. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 355 degrees. Add salt and pepper to ground chicken. Add food coloring. Fry the burger patty. Add 2 spoons of mustard seed and a drop of food coloring to mayonnaise. Blend it. Pour water with food coloring over a slice of cheese. Leave it for 1 minute. Then take it out and blot the cheese dry. Cut open the bun. Coat it with the mayo. Put in the patty and the cheese, and cover it with the other half of the bun. This burger is blue, but it's also yummy. The patty must have been made out of bluebird meat. And here's a pink hot dog for Ben. Try it, quick! Add pink food coloring to 5 1/3 ounce of yeast dough. Roll it out and make a roll. Pinch the edges. Put it on parchment paper and cover it with a paper towel. Let the dough rise. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 355 degrees. Add pink food coloring to boiling water. Boil a hot dog. Mix ketchup and mayonnaise. Add some food coloring. And pour the sauce into a ketchup bottle. Cut the bun open. Put the hot dog inside. Cover it with the sauce. I've never eaten such a pastel pink hot dog before. Nothing can spoil a nice juicy sausage. But we're getting tired of colorful food. Are we done with this challenge yet? I think something went wrong here. All this colored food is getting absorbed into our bodies. Oh no! We're pink and blue too. What should we do? Jessica knows. Come on, eat giant chips of the opposite colors. Divide 7 ounces of mashed potatoes into 2 parts. Add pink and blue food colorings. Add 3½ ounces of flour to each part. Roll out 2 thin circles. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes at 320 degrees. Let the chips cool. Then, coat them with vegetable oil and salt them. Put the chips in a container. Attach a printed 2-colored label. And attach a Pringles logo to the lid. Yay! It worked! Now colors don't matter to us anymore. Did you like our one-color challenge? Let us know in the comments about what color food you'd want to eat all day long. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new challenges from Troom.